My wife has looked at a few of the local store and it seems to change price every time we buy it. It's getting expensive. It seems like everything else that becomes popular, they keep rising prices to the breaking point. Glad I got this deal and may even order again before she runs out just to get at this price. Echinacea is a miracle to stopping immune problems. I have a ton of medical issues that compromise my immune system. This creates an extreme vulnerability to sickness constantly. I suffer with chronic nausea all the time anyway. This supplement, along with black elderberry, potassium, magnesium, beetroot, ginger root, devil's claw all work with the immune system to ward off the flu, colds, nausea, and that kind of things. They also help me with my overall well-being and health. I take these supplements 2 to 3 times a day. If I feel like I might be exposed to an illness or the flu, I take at least 8 Echinacea. The capsules are easy for me to swallow. The texture is wonderful. There is no aftertaste. IIT helps me all the time. I find I have less nausea and less illness. I have more adaptability to whatever can come at me. I have not had a flu shot in 4 years and have not had the flu, a cough, a cold or any other type of malady for medical issues. I find that DDING, this supplement to my everyday routine, has helped me more than any prescription medication has ever helped me, with absolutely no side effects that are detrimental. It is amazing what a day without chronic nausea feels like. It is illuminating, and I can actually not need to lay down a lot because I feel like vomiting is right at my next breathe. This particular brand I order using Subscribe and Save because it is affordable, and Subscribe and Save take my lack of memory out of question. I receive my supplements like clockwork at a 15% discount. Amazon is wonderful with pricing and Subscribe and Save. I take these all season to help my immune system prepare for autumn and winter. So far I have less issues with colds, and I overall feel better taking these. I have used this and vitamin C several times per day when first notice symptoms of a cold. Greatly reduces symptoms. I only take when start noticing symptoms to boost my immune system. We have used these for years. Every time a tickle in the throat comes, we grab a handful, 3 or 4, and a good night's sleep and wake up better. They don't taste very great in capsule, but they are fairly easy to swallow. On the bottle, it says you can take it as a tea. I prefer it in a tea. Very tasty that way. It's great. I've been feeling great since taking these. It's not a cure for the common cold, but it surely does make them symptoms less than without. Noticeably less. There's about every germ known to humans in a high school with 500 in it every day. It may not prevent colds, but I honestly don't know for sure if I have one, so I assume I do, but I am rarely slowed down by a cold. I take it daily during the school year. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.